Max, a fluffy, chubby dog, sits alone under a tree. His eyes are distant, filled with sadness. The morning light is dim and cold. Max is a chubby little dog with messy fur, but inside, he has a loving, sensitive heart. Today, Max feels heavier than usual, not because of his body, but because of the harsh words he heard. Words that hurt more than anyone could see. Max is playing at the park with his dog friends.
Max, why are you so round? You look like a walking cotton ball.
Your fur's a mess, and your belly. If I were you, I'd start working out already.
But I don't even know how to change.